Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove multiple devices from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Let's jump right into it, no time to waste. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in the menu, tap on Manage your Google account. Now the Google account settings will pop up. Here look for the Your Devices option and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the devices and browsers where you are logged into Google Play. Now to remove a device, just tap on it. Now enter your password or passkey to confirm. Now tap on Sign Out button to remove the device. Tap Sign Out to confirm. So guys, repeat this process for any other devices you want to remove. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.